Hi guys, so today we're gonna do a review on this HP Gaming Keyboard K300. I bought this in Peru, and I bought it because I had this. I I got my workstation set up like this. I've got my keyboard, my laptop, um, and I needed my laptop, my speakers, and I needed a keyboard here. So yeah, I needed something. I bought it from a store called Tai Loi in Peru. It's a stationery store, and they sell a lot of like office equipment and things like that. This is the box. So there's some indications there, some specs of this keyboard. There's some text in there. This is the Spanish keyboard, and what we have inside, it's nothing really special, just the thing where the keyboard comes with, and a few documents in here like user guides and you know the warranty card and things like that. I mean it's just a keyboard, so you just connect it, you plug it to your laptop or your PC, and that's it, done, sorted. So that's it. That's done with the box, and that's it. That's it. This is the keyboard. Um, uh, it's nothing special. If I'm honest with you guys, I would not buy this again, and I do not recommend buying this keyboard unless you need it just for very light work, like checking Facebook, your email, maybe watching YouTube, and you need a keyboard. Then this would do the trick. If you need it for anything else like work, schooling, university, anything else where you actually need to type, this is not the best keyboard. Um, I feel that, like, even though my fingers are not really chunky or chubby or anything, I feel the spacing between the keys here are very like narrow. So sometimes I'm typing and I press the wrong key, and I've had this keyboard for just around 6 months, and I think for me to get used to it, this should have been enough time, but still, like, it's not the most comfortable keyboard. Another thing is, um, I regret buying this also because it comes with this part, this numeric keypad, and this makes my working station a bit uncomfortable because there's not much room for my mouse. I don't really need this. I think I think I'm just happy with the numbers in here. I don't know if you guys need this, but if you don't really need this, I would suggest please just avoid the suffering. Actually, it's useless. It comes with some lights. I can see there's some lights. I mean, these are brighter. My speakers are brighter. My mouse is also brighter. The RGB lights. These in here are not. So if you're just buying it just because you want to see the RGB lights, don't, because you gotta work in the dark. I'll show it to you now. You can see a little bit now. Actually, you can see more with the camera than in the actual thing. So you have to work like this, and now you can see it. And this is the high. So we can go down as well if we press this one. That's down, and then that's off. If you want to put it back on, just go up here and you got 1 and 2, and that's it. That's all. That's it. No more magic. um, yeah, another thing that bothered me actually is this part here. I think this little stand thing here is not good enough. It doesn't actually make that much of a difference. So you would be like feeling like, oh no, this is too flat, you know. So I would say definitely no if you need to work long term with this and use it all the time. I have So I kind of got used to that. That's not too bad now. Still kind of annoying. But yeah. I mean, let's have a look at the back. Let's see what's at the back of this thing. Let me turn on the lights. Right. So that's it. This is the back of the keyboard. Like I said, this little stand doesn't really help much. In the beginning, I used to put something at the back so it would raise the keyboard a little bit higher. These are the specs and the model of the keyboard. Overall, I would say build quality is quite decent. Strong plastic. It's just plastic. The sound of it is nothing special. It seems like it's gonna be all right. But like I said, if you plan to use it for like schooling, work, or something, I would say no. Get yourself a better one. This cost me around 90 soles, let's say 100 soles in Peruvian money. That works out to be around 25 USD, $25. I'm not sure how much that's in pounds, but I would say don't buy it. Yeah, I mean, I made a mistake. I'm stuck with it now. Nothing I can do. But yeah, I mean, if you want to buy this keyboard, unless you're not going to use it a lot, I would say no. Just get yourself a better one. And yeah, that's all. That's all I can say about this little keyboard. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, guys. Bye.